In this section, I will explain the single attractor geometrical transformation code. We will use our previous random code, beginning and ending, but we will remove the rest of the code in between. Now, we will add the distance component to measure distance between a point that we will create on Rhino and the list of points from our grid. Then we will use remap numbers component to be able to control the values of distances we got. So basically, it takes the range from what is named source domain, which are the distance values ranging here from 25 to 725, and change it to our chosen target domain, which we want our values to fall within, which is from 1 to 50. Now, we create our move component and connect our points to it. And we will need to specify the magnitude as the remap distances and direction of the movement in the z-axis. But first, we will take our remap number and multiply it by a slider that goes from -10 to 10. This will allow us to invert the curvature. And now we have our points smoothed according to our single attractor. In the coming lecture, we're going to build on this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to assign geometry and also scale them in reference to our single attractor.